Let's learn how you can make a video into a photo. So I will show you this video with this application. So it's called Video to Live. You can find it on App Store, and this will be the first page you see when you open and install it. So we seek this video to images option in the middle, as you can see here. So you just want to tap it. It will open your gallery videos. Now you want to scroll and search to find the video you want to get images from. I will find some random video that I can use for the tutorial, and it can be, for example, this one. So here it will say what amount of images you want to get per second of the video. I will choose 5 because it's enough. You can go up to 60. So you just want to click on get images, wait for the advertisement to skip, and it will say saving. So images are being saved into your album. And if we go and check, as you can see here, we got saved 5 images per second of the video. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.